All right, so this problem says, let the function f be defined as f of x equals 5x squared minus 7 times the quantity 4x plus 3. What is the value of f of 3? So in this question, what they are asking us to do, they're asking us to take this function, f, and evaluate it for an x value of 3. So that means everywhere you see an x in the function, you need to replace it with the 3. So when we do that, we get that f of 3 is equal to 5 times 3 squared minus the quantity 4 times 3 plus 3. So all we did was everywhere we saw an x, we substituted in a 3 because it's asking us to evaluate our function for a value for an input of 3. So once you have done this, you can take this right-hand side of your equation and you can just type that directly into Desmos. So you see here, I typed it directly into Desmos, or what's even better is if you have a handheld calculator, you want to type it in there. Because on the ACT, you cannot use Desmos, but you can use a handheld calculator. So you're going to type that in, and when you do, you get that f of 3 is equal to negative 60. So the answer here is J, negative 60. That is our output when we input an x value of 3 into this function.